Good morning. I want to talk about again about happiness. If you want to become a happy person, you have to have a patience to listen this couple of minutes. What is the reason for people not to be happy? Patanjali Yoga Sutras Niyama, second one is Santosha. He says, be happy. Think about it, why people are not happy. I found one reason through my guru. The people who are contented are always happy. The day you feel contentment, you are always happy. So this I got more clarity when I was talking to recently one female. She was going through tough times, but still she is smiling. I asked her, how are you smiling? She says, I have two children, sir. They are studying well. They are very healthy. That is enough, sir, for me to be happy. Yes, truth. This is the truth. What is the truth? For any mother, if children are healthy, she doesn't want anything. Mother, no competition for mother. If children are healthy and if the mother's happiness is always about children. So you need to feel, many mother children are healthy. Why they are not happy? The reason is they are not grateful what they have. Not only mother, same thing with gents also. They have everything. They have a good wife, they have children, healthy children, they have a house, they have a car, every damn thing they have. They have good position in job, maybe vice president, maybe CEO, maybe manager. Still they are not happy because they are not grateful. They are not grateful and they are not having the gratitude one in their life. Many lakhs of people are dying on daily basis without lack of food. You have everything, not happy. You want another promotion. How many promotions you want? Like that mother said, sir, my children are healthy. I am very happy, sir. My husband business, I don't care, sir, whether it is profits or not. If mother is so happy with a small reason, she is so grateful, how much we have in our life. The day you feel gratefulness, the contentment will follow you. The moment you start feeling contented in life, you will become a permanent happy person. Permanent happy means small things will not disturb you. You will be untouched by small events. If somebody is scolding you, say, no problem. If business in losses, no problem. That happy mind can solve life problems easily. That happy mind can handle people easily. That happy mind has an opportunity to live long time. Check. Many people who are dying, go and check. Many people are doing workouts, gym, yoga, this. Even I am saying yoga people also. Many people don't know what is happiness. Oh, doing asanas is not yoga. I've seen depressed yoga teachers. Advanced yoga teachers are depressed because they are at only physical body. They don't know what is contentment. They don't know what is gratefulness. Self-centric. Me, my wife, my son, my daughter. Weekly once give food to somebody who is suffering with lack of food and see how the joy enhances. This is what my Guru told me. My Guru, Sri Sri. After achieving something, it will never happen in our life. You decide you want to be happy today. You have to decide. Nobody can make you happy on the planet Earth. No product can make you happy on the planet Earth. No event can make you happy on that planet. You decide. You want to be happy? That's what Patanjali said in Nima, second sutra, Santosha. Happiness. Choice is with you. You decide and you create happiness. Swami Rama, Himalayan master, also says same thing. You are responsible for creating happiness in your life. How? Be grateful. Express gratitude to the people who are helping you. Express gratitude to the divine. System is working. I feel so much gratitude to the divine. One reason, my kidneys are working after 46 years age. Now I'm crossing 47. My entire body is working as it is. My food is digesting, thank you, God. I have a family, healthy family. Yes, my father is paralyzed, mother is not healthy, they are 70 years. Natural, at the edge of the life, we have to have health problems. Some reason is needed to exit from the planet Earth. My parents' health problem cannot make me unhappy. I am there to support them. The day you feel gratefulness, your Vishuddhi Chakra will activate. Your thyroid problem will solve. So from today onwards, develop a habit. Be grateful. Express gratitude to the divine. I will see who will take your peace from you. You have a highest possibility, the best possibility to lead happy, peaceful life. That is in your hands. Thanks for listening to me. Have a great day.